hope you're all having a great morning, evening, or afternoon, whenever you may be watching this video. So as you guys can probably tell, I just got out of class. I'm actually on my way home right now. If you guys watched the last video, you guys would have seen my new Ultimate Motorsports taillights that I just threw on my 86. I think they look absolutely amazing and a lot of you guys seem to enjoy them as well. I'm actually going to be installing some more lighting mods for the interior and the exterior. So with that being said, let's go ahead and head home and grab what we're going to be installing onto the car. So now that we made it home, I could actually show you guys what we're going to be installing today, which is a product from a company called iilumo. They make a full LED package for the GR86/BRZ. If you guys go on over to their website, you could actually see all the different car brands that they actually make LED packages for, as well as their individual bulbs that they sell. But if you guys go over to the GR86/BRZ kit, you could actually see all the different bulbs that are included in this kit, which comes with the map lights, the vanity lights, the courtesy lights, the boot light, and as well as the reverse backup and fog lights. So enough talk, let's go ahead and get all of these unboxed and I'll show you guys how you actually get them installed onto the car. So what we're gonna go ahead and do first is replace these two map lights that are on the interior right here. You're gonna wanna just grab a sort of like plastic trim remover tool, which I'm gonna be using the Capri Tools trim remover set, which if you guys actually need any tools for any of your automotive projects, make sure to of course go check out the links down below in the description to check out Capri Tools. They have every single tool that you could pretty much need for your projects that you may be working on. So let's go ahead and grab one of these plastic trim remover sets, and this piece right here we're gonna actually just peel back. So we're gonna go ahead and just grab this in just like so. Super simple, you guys. So next up is actually these two Phillips head screws that are right here on the inside. You're gonna wanna just remove those two screws. Once you go ahead and get these two Phillips head screws out, you'll then go ahead and grab one of your plastic trim tools and just pry this piece down, just like so. And then this whole panel will just kind of get released and it will kind of just hang there. So as you guys can see, there's actually two bulb lights right here. These are the factory ones. You're gonna wanna just go ahead and turn it and pull out just like so. Let's go ahead and grab this second one. So you're just gonna went ahead and turn left and then pull up just like so. Super simple, you guys. Now that we went ahead and removed the factory bulbs, we're gonna go ahead and grab our T10 canvas ones and get them unboxed and replace them where the factory bulbs of course go. Once you grab the factory bulbs and take them out, they're actually stuck in this little housing. You're gonna wanna just pop them out, grab the iilumo LED bulb and just get it placed in just like so. Make sure that it's firm, and you're gonna wanna go ahead and just get it replaced back into the factory housing, and we'll get it turned. And you're gonna wanna do that just for the other side as well. And once you do that, you can see how much of a difference. Oh my gosh, that's literally just one light, you guys. So let's go ahead and grab the plastic trim and our two Phillips heads and get this dome piece put back up, and I'll show you guys how much of a difference it makes. So for those of you who don't know or who may be new to my channel, my 86 is actually a base model, not the premium. Now you may be wondering, what does that mean, Justin? Why are you telling us that you have a base model 86 instead of a premium one? Well, in the premium 86, there's a couple more features that it is included with the car. So what that means is I can install all of the LED bulbs that are coming in this kit. Like I said, I don't have these ones right here, and then the door card ones underneath, which are right here. So if you guys are actually interested, I may run a giveaway on the ones that I actually can't use. That way, in case you guys are actually interested in getting some LED lighting for your GR86. After I get this video posted, I'll probably say something on my story about the giveaway for these. So with that being said, what I'm gonna go ahead and do now is, now that we got everything on the interior done, we'll go ahead and move out to the exterior. What we'll go ahead and install next is the rear boot light, which is in the trunk. So we'll go ahead and, of course, get the trunk opened up. And as you guys can see, we have this bulb that's sitting right here. So to remove this little housing right here, you're gonna wanna just go from the back and just pull forwards, just like so. So to make things a little bit easier, you guys, I actually removed this whole housing piece right here. It just gets unplugged right here. It's super simple. What you're gonna wanna do is, of course, get the factory bulb taken out of it, and you just get one of the T10 bulbs put back into place. We'll get this housing plugged back into this connecting piece right here, and then just slap it right on top, and we should be all good to go, you guys. Now that we got the boot light all finished up, what we're gonna go ahead and do next is the reverse lights. My apologies for how dark it is, you guys. It gets super dark really early now, and in fact, it's only 6:42 right now, and it's pretty much like pitch black out. So I would do this in the garage, but there's really not much room, as you guys have heard me say before. So I'm gonna go ahead and just get this all finished up, get these reverse and the fog lights taken off so we can replace the bulbs on them. So in order to get these bulbs taken out right here, what you guys are gonna wanna do is, there's 3 little pop clips underneath, if you guys can see those. You're gonna wanna just grab plastic trim remover and get these 3 pop clips taken off. Once you got these 3 pop clips taken off, you should be able to just take this piece right here, and it should just pop off. So you want to just be pretty careful with it, making sure you don't break any of the tabs. Just work your way around it, and just like so, you guys, it will just get popped off just like so. So now what we'll do is grab our 2 T15 bulbs to get the reverse lights replaced. Turn them, and they should pop straight out just like so. And we'll grab the bulb, get it taken out. That way we can grab our new T15 bulb and replace it back inside. And go ahead and get it placed back in just like so. And then get it turned back into the correct spot and make sure it's all locked down. We'll then go ahead and do that same process to the one on the right side. Now that we got those 2 bulbs put back into place, go ahead and just grab our panel right here, get all the clips put back in, and we'll get the 3 pop clips put back in underneath. All right, you guys, so it's the next day. I wanted to just recap on everything that we did yesterday. We pretty much got everything that we could finished up for the most part. Like I said before, I actually can't install all of the bulbs that came with this kit just because my car is a base model and not a premium. I just wanted to, of course, now that we have some lighting and that you guys can actually truly see, I wanted to just show you guys all the different bulbs that of course we have on the car, which I'll show you guys. We have these two right here, which are extremely bright. It literally feels like a stadium here. It's so bright. After we got those done, we went over to the trunk and did the boot light, as you guys can see, which is also extremely bright. These reverse lights honestly lit up almost the entire house when I was reversing back into my garage over here. So I figured I might as well just show you guys in the daytime also what these lights look like, just so you guys can kind of get an idea. So with that being said, I'd love to hear what you guys think about the full LED package that iilumo sells for the GR86 and the BRZ. Like I stated before, if you guys actually own a premium GR86 or BRZ and would like to see me do a little giveaway on all the LED bulbs that I couldn't use on my 86, let me know down in the comments below. Actually use the little light bulb emoji so I know that you guys are actually interested. So with that being said, I just want to give a huge shout out and thank you to iilumo for sending out their full LED package for me to review on my 86 for you guys. If you guys need any sort of LED bulbs for any project that you may be working on, make sure to, of course, go check out iilumo's website down in the description below. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a like down below. It helps me out so much. Subscribe if you guys are new. That way you guys can stay up to date on all the content that I'm always putting out. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Peace.